Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syamil binti Maisab and I will introduce about our project. In our project, there are two main data that we need to focus on, which are rainfall data and stream flow data. Rainfall is the amount of precipitation in the form of rain and descends onto the surface of Earth, whether it is on land or water, and it develops when air masses travel over warm water bodies or over wet land surfaces. Rainfall data generally are collected using electronic data loggers that measure that rainfall in 0.01 inch increments every 50 minutes using either a tipping bucket range gauge or a collect well gauge. While stream flow is a measurement of the amount of water flowing through a stream or river over a fixed period. Stream flow cannot be measured directly. Instead, it must be calculated in a process known as stream gauging. Stream flow data includes stage and volumetric discharge data that are collected at various intervals depending on the need. Often, stream flow data are collected using permanent or semi-permanent structures. Next, there are three objectives of our project. First, to analyze the rainfall data at Sungai Kuantan, Bukit Kenau and Sungai Belat Sri Damai. Our second objective is to analyze the stream flow or water level at Sungai Kuantan bypass, and lastly, to find the peak flow at Sungai Kuantan bypass by using rational method.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Namia Kamila, matric number AF590070. We're gonna explain for methodology part, so let's get started. For our study area, we decided to choose Kuantan Pahang as our study area. So as shown in the map, Kuantan is known as a largest state in Peninsular Malaysia, and it also has the longest river in Peninsular Malaysia. We're choosing this location because Kuantan, commonly known as flood state area, since the flood event happens there annually. We believe this is due to Kuantan is located at East Coast State, where it always facing the northeast monsoon and two intern monsoons. We also can say that the flood event there occurs as it experiences the tidal wave from the South Chinese Sea. So this study mainly focuses on three nearest rainfall stations, which is Bukit Kenau Station, Sri Damai Station and Kuantan Station. For the water level station, we choose Kuantan Bypass Station, and all these stations has the same basin, which is Sungai Kuantan. And we collected the data of 60 minutes rainfall for 5 weeks, starting from 24 April until 28 May 2022. That's all from me. Proceed to the data.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Kakib. So today we will talk about the data visualization for our project. Okay, first of all is daily rainfall data. Rainfall data have been collected from 25th April 2022 to 29 May 2022. We are public info on your website. And then the water level data, the measurement of the level of water in the river relative to an arbitrary location is referred as a river stage. Also collect by public info on your website. Okay, and then the geographical characteristic, as you can see, there is the pad location between Taman Bukit Rangin to Sungai Kuantan. The slope percentage that we get from population data is 0.59%. For the second location between Kampung Bukit Kenau to Sungai Kenau, the slope percentage that we get is 2.09%. Last but not least, pad location between Kampung Sri Damai to Sungai Belat, the slope percentage that we get from this data is 0.40. For the cross-section of river near the water level station, you see the chosen cross-section of the river near Sungai Kuantan bypass. So for the elevation of cross-section 1, the cross-section area is 11 feet, equivalent to 1.02 times 10 to the power of -4 hectare. Elevation of cross-section 2 is 5 feet square, and elevation of cross-section 3 is 12 feet square. So that's all from me.
Hello, my name is Rozayani Puslan, and I will present the next part, which is result and analysis on rainfall data by using mean areal precipitation method. So basically, there are three methods included, which are arithmetic average method that uses the point station in areal measurement to be computed its mean, Pearson polygon method, which is a graphical technique to calculate the station weights according to relative areas, and also isohetal method that actually uses approximation lines for equal rainfall over a region. So these are the rainfall data within 7 days that has been chosen to be analyzed its average precipitation. From this result analysis, by using arithmetic mean method, the average precipitation obtained is 140.67 mm, while Pearson polygon method stated its average precipitation by 142.29 mm, And the last method, which is isohetal, shows that the average rainfall at Kuantan watershed is 137.00 mm. So for discussion part, we can say that this result data is identically in the range value that needed a comparison to identify which is the most accurate and precise. Thus, isohetal method apparently to be an error-free method as it considers the rainfall station location with orographic effect. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurikalatul Aishmati Muhammad. My trace number AF19110. Okay, I will explain about the water level in Sungai Kuantan at Kuantan Bypass. Okay, I will explain about the hydrograph and also unit hydrograph. Hydrograph is a graph or a plot that depicts the rate of water flow as a function of time at a specific point of cross-section. These graphs are frequently used to assess stormwater runoff on a specific site in the context of a development project. It also is a graph that depicts the stage, discharge, velocity, or other properties of water flow over time. Okay, in the right side is the graph for hydrograph. Okay, for the next one is unit hydrograph. Okay, unit hydrograph is a discharge hydrograph that shows the discharge against time. Okay, that is the graph for unit hydrograph. Okay, then for the calculation, we use Manning's equation to find the total flow, which is Q. Okay, for the website, we use public info banjir at water.gov.my, which is to determine the river water level data in Sungai Kuantan. Okay, this is the hydrograph for station Sungai Kuantan in Kuantan Bypass. So, as we can see in this hydrograph, the water level is in Lomond.